In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Slack with Attio. By the end, you'll have Slack connected to your Attio workspace, so you can streamline notifications and keep your team in the loop without switching tabs. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into both tools and that you have permission to install apps in your Attio workspace and your Slack workspace. If you're not an admin, you might need a quick approval from someone who is. Start by signing into your Attio account. Once you're in, head to your company profile area and open Workspace settings. This is where organization-wide tools and integrations are managed, so it's the right place to set up the Slack connection for everyone who needs it. Inside Workspace settings, use the search bar at the top and type Apps. That will quickly narrow down the settings you're looking for. From the Apps results, open the App Marketplace. Think of the Marketplace as Attio's catalog of integrations you can plug in with just a few clicks. In the Marketplace, use the search bar again and type Slack. When Slack appears in the results, click it to open the integration page. Take a moment to review what the integration does and, most importantly, the permissions it requests. It's always good practice to confirm the scopes match what your team is comfortable with. When you're ready, click Install. If you see a prompt that you don't have permission to install apps, reach out to an admin to either grant access or complete the install for you. Otherwise, the install will proceed and you'll be guided to the next step. Next, click Connect. This will open a secure window to Slack's authorization screen. Sign into your Slack workspace if you're not already signed in, then follow the prompts to continue. Make sure you select the correct Slack workspace, especially if your organization uses more than one. Review the authorization summary, confirm the requested access, and approve the connection. When the authorization completes, you'll be brought back to Attio with Slack successfully linked. At this point, your Attio workspace is connected to Slack. Depending on your team's setup, you can now start configuring how you want Attio to interact with Slack, such as sending updates to specific channels or notifying users when records change. If something doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the page, double-check that pop-ups aren't being blocked, and verify you're using the correct Slack account with permission to approve apps. That's it, your Slack and Attio are now in sync and ready to help your team move faster. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.